Jeremiah Campbell here, Brickworks Property Restoration. Super excited to be involved in this project. As you guys know, Brickworks here, our main core focus is building success in everything that we do. And we do this one brick at a time. And I'm standing here with the founders of Haven Homes, and we are on their project. We're here just to help with the porch, and I just want to bring a spotlight to this amazing foundation, to this amazing group, and what they're doing in the city of Detroit. So, Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. We appreciate it.
Yes, absolutely. You guys want to tell us who you are, why we're here, and what your core focus is?
Well, Haven Homes in Detroit was founded in 2021. We felt like we could provide something where maybe there was a gap in resources. We felt like there was a gap in safe housing for women coming out of human trafficking, as well as those coming out of rehab. And so we wanted to be able to provide that safe home, the resources available to get them back on their feet, and help them become more self-sufficient.
I love it.
We know people leaving human trafficking often have complex needs. A lot of times there's addiction issues, ongoing sobriety support, as well as like complex trauma. And so just a halfway house doesn't necessarily help, and just getting therapy without the sobriety support often isn't enough. So the plan for Haven Homes of Detroit will be a 2-year residential facility for women to live here. They can be rent-free. We'll have sobriety support, ongoing therapy, and then just teaching life skills and other programming to help them be able, after 2 years, to move out and kind of be successful on their own.
Beautiful, so good. This is an inspiring story. And I want to remind you guys, this is why Brickworks chooses to team up with organizations like this. Human trafficking is a real thing. This isn't something that we can look the other way for. This is happening in our neighborhoods. This is happening not only in Detroit, but in the suburbs. And there's nowhere for these women to turn. We want you guys to feel inclined to do your part, just like Brickworks does, and to let everybody know how they can team up and how they can get involved and how they can donate to you guys.
We are. So right now we're getting ready to fundraise. We have our house completely paid for. We were able to raise all of those funds. Now we're opening in January and we need operating expenses. So we're estimating $150,000 for the next year. So we're ongoing donations for that. Right now through the end of the year, we're looking specifically for $75,000. We want to open in January, but we feel like it's really important that once we open, we're able to continue providing care. We don't want any breaks in funding. These women need stability, and so having a good safety net is really important for us.
Absolutely, and we're going to go ahead and put all of our links to get a hold of. You can give us a call direct. You can give myself a call direct. You can give every one of us here. You can reach out to us. We'd love to get you involved.
Absolutely.
We'd love for the opportunity for you to see what's going on here and feel the magic that we can create, especially around the holidays, and give these women. A lot of them are mothers.
Yes.
Yeah.
A lot of them, every one of these women that we're helping is somebody's daughter. This is somebody's sister, and this could be somebody that you know dearly. So do your part and get involved.
I think a part of our mission is that we believe in the dignity of all people, and that's exactly what you said, right? Everybody is somebody and they matter because they exist, and that's why we're here. We saw a gap and we want to help with long-term housing.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Detroit has its own set of challenges when it comes to renovating. We're here specifically for the front porch, and that is what we specialize in.
Yeah, so for us, we thought that we had somebody lined up to do the front porch, somebody that was reliable. I've used in the past for a lot of my remodels. However, they fell off the earth and I couldn't communicate with them anymore. So, I'm scrambling to find somebody to do this last piece of our home. And so I put it out on Facebook, looking for a mason, and somebody from your company, from Brickworks, contacted me, which couldn't have been better timing, and just how it has transpired.
Yeah. It's so cool.
The like-mindedness of our two organizations, it's been amazing. I honestly think it's a perfect marriage for you guys to be doing the front porch.
I appreciate that, and I appreciate you trusting us to do it. And so when we came out here, it was all about the porch and what we can do, and then we realized it had nothing to do with the porch. It had to do with the hearts. And us coming together as one, as building success and giving safe harbor for women that don't have a choice or an alternative. Being around this cause and being around individuals like you has really opened up our heart and opened up our opportunity to give. And when we give, we know we get back. And that's not the purpose why we do this. We give to have an open heart. Tell everybody watching this how they can get in touch with you guys.
Yeah, we are basically donor funded, and so we really appreciate any support. You can donate at our website. You can donate or find out more about us on our socials, and then we also have a text to give option.
Outstanding. And it is a 501(c), so everything
Yes.
donated will be you can fully write it off.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
tax deductible.
Thank you so much from our heart to yours.
Thank you guys.
Absolutely.
We appreciate it.
Amazing.
Thank you. As far as donors, another group that has really helped is people that have helped support us as we're building. So thank you for your work. Thank you for helping with the porch. Thank you for giving us a great deal on this and just really supporting us.
Absolutely.
Like Aaron said, it was this last piece that was causing a little bit of panic, and here we are now. Who knew how it would all end up? So it's a really cool story. Thank you.
Thank you.